Batteries are the silent powerhouse behind so much of our daily work. From forklifts in warehouses to airport vehicles and even golf carts, these energy sources keep industries moving. But with that power comes responsibility. Batteries can be safe and reliable when handled correctly, but without proper training, they pose risks like electric shock, acid burns, and even explosions. This course gives you the knowledge to stay safe, protect your equipment, and extend the life of your batteries. Not all batteries are the same. In this training, you'll learn about 3 common types. Lead-acid batteries, where plates and sulfuric acid create direct current power. Nickel-cadmium batteries using potassium hydroxide as the electrolyte. And lithium-ion batteries, now widely used in modern vehicles. Each type has its strengths, but they all share one thing in common: they can be dangerous if mishandled. You'll also learn how to recognize voltage ratings, measure capacity in amp hours, and determine when your battery is underperforming and may need servicing or replacement. To keep batteries reliable, they must be charged properly. Chargers convert alternating current into direct current and feed it back into the battery. Sounds simple, but here's the catch: overcharging can damage a battery, create overheating, and release hazardous gases that may cause fire or explosion. That's why you'll discover the correct way to match charger voltage with battery voltage, the importance of ventilation, and why modern chargers are designed to shut off before damage occurs. Battery acid is one of the biggest dangers you'll face. Strong sulfuric acid can blind, burn, and corrode equipment. This training explains what to do if acid makes contact with your skin, clothing, or eyes, including the immediate use of eye wash stations for at least 15 minutes. It also highlights proper spill cleanup. Using the wrong substance, like baking soda, can actually create dangerous gases. Instead, you'll be shown the correct neutralizers, absorbents, and disposal methods that comply with regulations. A safe battery isn't just about charging, it's about inspections too. Look for cracked connectors, exposed wires, missing cell caps, or acid residue. These are all warning signs. If a charger or battery looks damaged, don't take chances. Lock it out, tag it, and report the issue. Only qualified technicians should attempt repairs. Batteries are essential, but without safety, they become liabilities. This battery and charger safety course from OSHA Education School gives you the knowledge to protect yourself, your team, and your workplace. Enroll today, gain your certification, and keep your workplace powered safely. Click the link in the description to start your training now.